Yo, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video specifically, I am going to be revealing the exact strategy behind how I make hundreds of thousands of dollars every single month from meme coins without ever trading. And I want to be completely clear about something right away. I do not trade meme coins. Most people in this space are on the trading side, getting destroyed by all these rug pulls. They buy into a coin, it pumps for a second, and then the dev dumps on them. And that's exactly why I do not trade, and that's exactly why I completely switched to deving. In this video, I will show you how to launch a coin, how to find people to buy your coins, and then how to cash out. Everything will be done in this video, live for free without gatekeeping. And by the way, bro, look at my Phantom wallet. I know what I'm talking about. I've made my money personally from creating coins, so make sure to keep watching if you're tired of losing money in the trenches. Now, the process of creating a meme coin is extremely easy. You guys need to understand that 90% of all meme coins, when they are created right, they end up going to zero no matter what. Okay, it will pump, yes, at the beginning, but eventually it will go to zero, and that's because these meme coins hold no actual value. All they do is pump and then dump. It's the same exact story every single time, and that's exactly why I completely switched to deving meme coins, because now I am the one risking nothing, creating these coins and then selling my supply into all the buying pressure. And I do this over and over again every single day. I take advantage of the entire strategy because it's insanely profitable. Now, in this video, I will show you how to create coins using my strategy. I will be showing you how to find narratives, how to dev it, and then how to launch it, and then how to cash out. Everything will be done in this video for completely free, live in front of your face. Let's go. And by the way, bro, everything is for educational purposes only. I do not condone any financial advice. So before the cops comes down and breaks my door, it is all for educational purposes only. I do not condone any financial advice. Yes, I do make money from deving, but yeah. Now, first of all, bro, head over to coinlaunch.io. Here is where we will be launching our coins, and the reason why you have to be using this launchpad is because every single meme coin that you dev here will go to Raydium instead of Pump.Fun. Now, the Raydium DEX is 10 times better than Pump.Fun because every single meme coin on Raydium that migrates, they all get a bunch of buyers and a bunch of attention. It's ridiculous. Look at these meme coins, for example. They all get a bunch of traction, right? But Pump.Fun, though, no one buys them, no one sees them, and on top of that, Pump.Fun takes a cut from your creator fees and they control your coins. So I don't like that. I want to be making money with full control, and that's why I launch my coins on Raydium using coinlaunch.io. Now, a lot of you guys overcomplicate launching a meme coin here. It's really easy. It's just like Pump.Fun, for example. You can create your coin from scratch, just like Pump.Fun. Just put a name, symbol, and image, and your coin is created, and then move on to the next steps, right? Or you can use their free X tracker, and you can actually turn tweets into coins. That is another strategy that you can start using right now. So for example, if Trump made a tweet, you could turn that into a meme coin directly. But in this video, we will be using the copy trending coins strategy, which is the strategy that made me the most amount of money. I've made like all my money from copying coins, and basically instead of creating a coin from scratch, you can just copy one that's already working. All these meme coins are going viral on Pump.Fun. They're all getting a bunch of traction, a bunch of buyers, and we are just going to be copying one coin from this list back to Raydium, right, to make money from that narrative. Let me show you how right now live. So obviously, bro, first of all, make sure your Phantom wallet is connected. MetaMask, it can be whatever, okay? It does not really matter which wallet, but yeah, let's copy a coin. I don't care about the narrative. Some people always DM me asking me, oh, which narrative are you looking for? No, I don't care. There's a reason why they're here. Just go for one. I'm gonna go for this one, for example. Click on copy to Raydium. Ignore the warning. This warning is completely normal, right? Click on proceed, confirm, checkbox confirm, and then the coin will be actually created, right? Just wait. Not live, but created. And boom, now let's obviously create the liquidity pool. Here is where we create a supply for our coin. Like that, it can go to Raydium, it can skip the bonding curve, and we have supply before everyone else. Now for the supply of the actual coin, click on 90%. Just do this for all your launches, right? For the SOL to pair, this is how much you are buying in for yourself as a dev. Like that, you yourself, okay, you can have supply. Click, well, put anywhere in between 0.3 to 1 SOL. That's what is recommended in my opinion. You're not going to lose this 0.3, so you are not going to lose it at the end of the launch. When you cash out, it will come back, so don't worry about it. Click on crypto, ignore the block, click on proceed, confirm, checkbox confirm, and then the coin will be live. Just wait. Boom, click on refresh once and boom, it's live. Okay, it's up and running, people can buy it. Okay, you have all your stats right here. Most importantly, you have your PNL right here, which are unrealized profits. Now let's go see our chart. It's really important to see the chart, to see how your meme coin is doing live. And boom, it's already pumping. Oh my god, people are already aping in. Okay, that's why I love deving on Raydium. It's insane. Oh my god, no, come back to coin launch, click on refresh, and we're up $220 already within seconds of the launch. Guys, the Raydium DEX, it's insane. A bunch of people are sleeping on deving, but the truth is that deving meme coins is way better than trading. I'm gonna let the coin pump for a bit. When I come back, I will cash out. Alright guys, I am back, and as you guys can see, oh my god, it went up and down, but you know, I held, and yeah. Now let's cash out. Okay, this is like pretty normal for me, maybe for you too. We're up a lot. Come back to coinlaunch.io, click on refresh, and bang, we're up $2,800. That is actually insane within 10 minutes. Like, I am no different than you, bro. I did no marketing. These are all random people. Let's cash out. Click on the minus button, do 100%, remove liquidity. Your phantom will show up, ignore the block, click on proceed, confirm, checkbox confirm, and then we should be fully out of our meme coin. Bang! We just cashed out our profits. And look at my phantom wallet, guys. I am not capping. Boom! $2,800 straight inside my phantom wallet, bro. Bro, just launch. Just stay consistent, bro, and one coin will eventually go viral. This one was not viral, unfortunately, but we still made $2,000, right? Coinlaunch.io will be linked down below. Good luck.